Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. My today's topic is banner design. So let's go to the topic and design the banner. First of all, I will fix my thumbnail. Then I will start the rest of part. So first of all, I will change this color, or I will I will yeah. And now I'll fix it here. Is it perfect? I think it's perfect. Now um, I will change this color. Uh, I will make it, make it green, make it green, make it also the green, make it also the green. And now I will change its color, which will be the sorry. I'll take it white, and sorry, I'll change this color with green. Yeah, I think it's look nice. So I'm fixing it. Save, and I will export it as replace it. As you can see, now I will go to the main part, which is a brand design. So first of all, I will take a new page. I'll take a new page for banner design. You have to take 1280 into 420 pixels. So take this. Yeah, I got it, and then I have to, first of all, I will pen tool take a pen tool and make it, take a pen tool and make it more. Sorry, yeah, I'll connect this. Yeah, now I will give a color of it. I'll give a color. It's a white color, so I will change this color with which color will suit on it. I will take red color. Red color is a colorful color, so I'll take red color and take red color, and I will decrease its opacity stroke. Then decrease its stroke, and then um, first of all I'll make here a topic topic which will be the which 48 size, and uh, I'm dropping it here, and over. Yeah, yeah. I think is is perfect. Now you can, first of all, I will lock it here. You can see, lock it here. Then I have to make here something new, which I'll write down here. So let's see what I write. Logo design. Yes, I share. Logo, no, sorry, logo design. No. Company logo. Company logo. Yeah, company logo. Uh, Here you have to write down company logo. Then I will change its size. So yeah, 24 is perfect. So make here 24. Make here 24 and make here 24 and you, sorry, this is perfect, and make it 24, and you have to write down here your home, sorry, home, which will be the which will be the which will be 14 size, 14 size. I think 14 size is perfect for this. uh, let's see. Yeah, 14 size is perfect for this, but I will, uh, here you have to write down, uh, which will be to 12, size 12, and press shift and is now is look good, and I will make here something different, which, yeah, uh, and I will make it right. How it look like? I think it's look very good to see. It's look very good to see, and you have to try it out at your home and practice it. How I make it? It's very simple company banner design. So you have to try it out, and I'll show you more things on the next class. Today's class is at the end, so see you tomorrow and with a new class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.